Dear Mr. Wilson, I fear that it will not be possible for me to attend the discussion next Thursday night. Full stop. I have just received word that I must make a trip out of town, and I do not expect to return before Friday. Full stop. However, if it is possible for me to attend, I shall certainly do so, for I wish to show my support of your plans. Full stop. Para. I am sending my check for £5, which is to be applied towards the building fund. Full stop. You will understand the spirit in which it is sent, and my name need not be mentioned when you acknowledge the gift. Full stop. Very yours, very truly yours, and close.